Hello and welcome to Maverick Learners. In this video we will learn how to create an object, how to declare a class, how to initialize a variables and more concepts that are required in Java. So for that let us create a new text document. Give name suppose sample. Give name sample Java. Now we have to create main class. Okay, so for that we have to make it public because there are going to be more than one class, so that's why. So, sample So this is the basic structure of a main class. Okay, now let us make another class which will be used by this main method. Okay, so give the name as simple. Okay, enter. Now we will declare two class variables. So int is the data type and there are more data types, int, float, char. We will discuss all these in future videos. Okay, for now keep it as it is. Class underscore variable 1. Let us initialize this with the value of 40. Okay, enter. Next float class equal to 3.77 f. So the f appended behind the number is of float type. Now these are the class variables. Now we will look how to create method variables. So we have to create method. So the concept of method in Java is similar to the concept of function in C language. If you know C language, then it will be easier to understand. Now again declare more variables of method 1. So I will make like that. Okay, let's initialize it again. Give the value 10. Enter. Another float type. Float type. Okay, we have created the void method in class simple. Okay, now we will call an object from method of class simple. Okay, so for that have a look of the steps what you have to do. Okay, So we are going to create an object of class simple. Okay, so for that we will write simple space, give a new object name. So here we are going to give object 1 as the name of the object. So after that we will use the keyword new. Okay, and simple object. Okay, so this is the syntax of creating a new object in Java. Now, so if we are going to call the object, so we will do object 1 dot what was the name of the method? Method 1. Okay, so this is the syntax of creating an object. So let's save it, have a look what will happen if we run it. So for that, open command prompt, cmd, change the directory to desktop, enter. Now we have to compile the file. What was the name of the file? Sample. Okay, sample dot java. So you can see as the file has been compiled, 2 class files are generated. Okay, 2 class files are generated. Two class files are generated. So now have a look. What are those 2 classes? So the first class is the public class sample, which contains the main function, and the another class is the simple, which is along with the sample class. So in a Java file there can't be 2 public class. We'll look into that later. For now, just remember this. If you want to run the file, then you have to run the file with the name of the main class function, because this will be calling this class simple. Okay, this will be calling class simple. So we have compiled it with the name of sample.java. To run the program, we will again do the same. We will run with the name of sample, not the name of simple, because there are 2 class files generated. So we will run with the name of sample only. So let's have a look what will happen. Enter. So you can see all the values are shown over here correctly. Class variable 1 is equal to 40, class variable 2 is 3.77, method variable 1 is 10, and method variable 2 is 3.99. This was the whole process, how to declare an object, how to initialize a variable, how to make a class. So this was the syntax concepts that will be used in further videos. Okay, for now that's it. Thank you.